Welcome back to the Anthony Lee Crypto Channel. I'm coming at you today with an emergency Bitcoin update. I'm going to show you a chart that no one else is talking about. Be sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss these updates. Whether they're popular or unpopular, you would rather be in the know than left in the dark. So let's jump right into it. Here we're taking a look at Bitcoin. This is the Bitstamp chart. I'm using it because it has the most history going all the way back to 2012. Taking a look at the Gaussian channel on the weekly. Now, this is the Gaussian channel. As you can see, we have crossed into the Gaussian channel on the weekly. Now, the top of the Gaussian channel is right here about 105, 104 and a half, somewhere in that area. We need to close this weekly candle above that, and I don't know if we're going to get it. Let's take a look back in history when we've come down into it. Just this cycle, we wicked down into it, but closed back above. Previously this cycle, we came down a couple other times, touching it or just front running it, but always closed above. Let's keep going back to the previous cycle here. This is the cycle 2021. As you can see, we came down into it multiple times, tapped it there, came into it there, wicked into it here. Every one of these, even this one that looks really, really close here, let's zoom in. It did not close inside. It closed outside of the Gaussian channel. As soon as we closed our first candle body inside the channel, that was it. Bear market on. We could keep scrolling all the way back. There has never, ever been a time. As you can see, let's go back here, 2017, one more example here. Touched it a couple times here, wicked into it here, came out. As soon as we close this candle by in it, inside of the Gaussian channel, on the weekly, big bear market. We can go all the way back, check it out, go check it all out. But trust me, it's there. Big bear market every single time, wicked into it, closed candle body in it, over with. This is back at the 2013 cycle. So, guys, ultra important weekly close this week. We have got to get above this, or it is likely bear market time for Bitcoin. However, it is not all doom and gloom. Stick with me for a couple more minutes here. I'm going to show you the upside. So anytime we have come down into this and closed in it, while it has been a bear market, you have gotten a massive bounce. You can even bounce up out of it. You could come down, close in it, and bounce up out of it and fall through to the bear market, right? Okay, so it's during this massive bounce that we're looking for your altcoins to run, that little alt season. I put out a video the other day called When Alt Season. Go check it out. It explains it more in detail. But why am I thinking we're going to get an alt season on this bounce? Why? If it's over for Bitcoin, why would we get an alt season? Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance. Let's take a look at it here. So this is the entire bull run for Bitcoin right here. You see this channel, it's been in this upwards channel. It has not broken it. It has respected the trend line, come down and bounced on it several times. We finally broke below it on the week of August 18th. Finally broke below it, came back into it, fell back below it, and now we've just tested it and rejected from it. If we zoom in a little more, you're going to see a trend line on the 4-hour that goes all the way back to September of this year, and we just broke it right here. Okay, we've broken that, breaking down below this trend line. So it is about to be game over for Bitcoin dominance. And you know what that means? That means game on for altcoins. Now, if Bitcoin is dumping hard down to the downside, you're not going to get that. But what we're counting on, if it's over, is that weekly close this week for Bitcoin in the Gaussian channel, followed by the big rally that you get for that while Bitcoin dominance is breaking down. Bitcoin dominance breaks down at the same time that Bitcoin is getting that run from the Gaussian channel, and that, my friends, is your alt season. So we're looking for this to happen sometime in December. I believe that alt season is going to run at least into January, if not February, but definitely December and January. We're going to have an alt season. I don't think it's going to be a prolific alt season like it's been in the past, but I do think we'll get a little mini alt season here. But guys, again, never in history, and anything is possible, but never in history have we closed a weekly candle inside this Gaussian channel and it not being game over for that cycle for Bitcoin. So For me, it is time to look at investing in some alts because I think they're about to get a run, whereas Bitcoin will just stick to trading. Subscribe to the channel. I do give you my live leverage trades. We've been knocking those out of the park. We're in a long right now from the lows here around 94.5. So we're up on this trade. I'll give an update as we go along with that trade. But be sure you comment below if you have any questions, any videos you want to see. I'll be happy to answer those. See ya.